Hey everyone, I wanted to make a video on how to find products. It seems like there's some things that are easy. You could scan it, find it, and there's other things where it's like, oh, it's too big, it's too awkward, it's too cumbersome. What do I do? So in this video, I wanted to just do an example of how I would go about listing products and finding them on Amazon. So I'm going to be using Inventory Lab, and I'm also using Keepa Product Finder, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first thing, we're in Inventory Lab. You want to go to New Batch if you're making a new batch. And then I like to put my name here, so I just know, stay organized, which one is mine. And then I'll create batch. Okay, so first things first, before I even start doing anything, I need to make sure my printer is working. So you want to head over right here, print settings, and then either set up your printer, or you could just make sure the current printer is working. But if you want to go set up a new printer, click try IL print, and then make sure that your printer is selected from this drop down, and then this label size is selected, and then complete setup, and then print test label. Okay, so we got our test label printed out. Looks good. So I think we're ready to start listing products. I have 3 of these here. If we just scan it, we get this product. So here's sales rank. Sales rank is pretty good, and I'll show you how you can determine that. So if we look at the product page, okay, so looks great. So this is the sales rank, and you could tell if it's a good rank if you go down here. So this is the Keepa graph, and when you look at it, if you see this line go up and down a lot, this is the sales rank, and every time it goes down on this graph, that means a sale happened. So it looks like there's 9 sales happening a month, based on right here, this information here, and it's in the top 2% of office products. So that, I mean, if you think about it as you're ranking your class, if you're the top 1% of your class, or in your college, then that's pretty good. I mean, that's pretty good, right? Okay, so these sell well, so I would send these in, right? If we go back here, so we just select these, replenish, and then we have 3. So let's go ahead and add to batch. And then the labels will just print out of your printer, and then these labels you're going to want to affix to right over here, right over this barcode. So you can put it over like that. And the reason you do that is because when Amazon receives the box, they just want to scan a barcode. They don't want to scan 5 different barcodes because we didn't cover, the UPC code. So try to make their life easier and just scan or cover the barcode if it's showing. Okay. So we have a thick stack of these guys. These are creative start, indoor, outdoor letters and numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this looks like they're all the same, right? But always check to make sure that check the UPC code here matches on all of them, because sometimes the product can look the same, but it's actually a totally different product. There's be slightly different, so just double check that the UPC codes are all the same. Okay, they are. So let's go ahead and scan it and see what we get. Okay, so this first item was like 200,000 in rank. So this one is 2 million. So that's a big difference. But notice how this was in the office supplies category, and this is in the tools and home improvement category. So if we just click into this, let's see. So listing looks fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. Um, it looks okay. Okay, and we are not selling this product currently. So if we look at the all-time graph, okay, so this product does not have a lot of activity on it. Looks like so. It looks like someone was selling it. So if we, let's look at this graph real quick, just so you can see what I'm seeing here. So it looks like, okay, so you see this, right? It says FBM, the Homefront USA. So this seller was selling it. Looks like there were this seller and that Imports King was selling it. So that underneath the price, that's the seller's name. Um, so we're Kovric LLC. So you're noticing how these, and I'm looking at the buy box. So looks like multiple sellers are selling this product and they're competing for the buy box. So at one point it was $14.84, dropped down to $12.12, and then it went down to $9. And then it looks like, and then when the sale rank went down here, it looks like maybe there was a sale here, and then it shot back up, and so now it was at $14.98, and then it looks like the product went off the market for this period here. And that could have been it's not available. It could have been the page was not available. It could have been the seller took it off the market. But it looks like it was put back on the market here. And then there could have been a sale right here, perhaps, because it went from rank zero, which means no information, to information, and it was at a very low sales rank. So there could have been a sale here, and it looks like there hasn't been a sale since. So let me go back to a year view. Okay, that one sale happened between November and December. So we're in March now. So it's been 3 months since this product sold. Not too great. So we see that the tools and home improvements category is 30 million products, so that's quite a bit. And this is it's in the top 7%. So anything over 3 to 5% is usually sells pretty slow. So this product, it's not a very good seller. Okay, so what does this mean for us? So what does this mean for us? Should we sell this product? Should we send this product in? Yes, I would say so. I think so the sales rank is the activity on the product, how many sales are being placed for this product, and sometimes the sales rank goes up because the product has a poor sales rank. We're seeing here anything above 3 or 5%, it could have a bad sales rank because people can't find the product. People can't find the product on Amazon's search. People don't want to buy it. The price could be too high. So there could be a lot of reasons why someone is not buying a product. So I think there's some historical data here that there's sales going on. So the sale here, looks like maybe a sale sometime in this date because you have a big drop here. A sale here, sale here. So sales are kind of far in between months, but I think if we sent this product in at a cheap price, I think we could probably get some sales, especially if we sold this product in time of school year, maybe in August. This would probably get some good sales. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this product in. I think we could do well with this. I think it's just the price might be too high, or it hasn't had a lot of good exposure. So it looks like even at $9 it wasn't selling too well. So let's send it in at $7 or $8 and see how the product can perform. right, so how many did I say? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do a total quantity of 8, and let's sell these for cheap. Let's do $8. Maybe 7.50. So it says we're gonna make $2 each. That's not really that, it's not anything to write home about. I mean, we'll make 16 bucks. That helps. But this is a very light product. I'm holding it like this. And let's see, where's the product description? Okay, it weighs like 2 ounces, and it's kind of small. So I always like to check the product information because you can just see what information Amazon has on this product to make sure that you're holding actually the right product. Okay, so this is a light product. It's also very small. This would qualify for the small and light program. That's what this feather is. So a product is eligible for the program if it's under $12 in price and under a certain dimension. So this product is under within that range. So the actual price here, or the actual profit, would be in the column that has the feather. So the column that says FBA means that's how much it's going to make if you sell it at the regular FBA fee structure. But if it fits these criteria, it's under $12 and it's under a certain weight and dimension, then it will sell, that you can sell under this program, and then Amazon will charge less. So let me change this price here. What is it, 8, or we're gonna do 7.50? So, and then we're saying this is gonna cost $1, right? Okay, so we were originally thinking, okay, Amazon is going to charge us maybe $1.63 to $2 based on Inventory Lab, but now look, we have like $1.38 or $1.50 probably is what's going to end up being. I'm sorry, $2, 2.38 or 2.50, and I mean that seems okay. It's only 25% difference, or it's like a 50-cent difference, but that adds up. Times 8 is $4. Times 100, that's like 50 bucks. Times 1,000, that's like 500 bucks or whatever, right? So it's kind of economies of scale here. So, but yeah, that's something to look out for. So I think based on the information we see on the Keepa graph, we should price it at that price, and I would feel comfortable sending all 8 of these in. Okay, let's see. Let's go here, and we're gonna send it at this price, and we're gonna add to batch. Okay, so we got a message here. Amazon has indicated your ASIN for inventory is stranded. Okay, so why are we stranded? Let's figure it out. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and okay. Let's select this again, and then I'm going to copy this. The ASIN is right here. So let's figure out what is going on Amazon. Okay, so I click that link. Let's go resolve our problem. So we can just click this link here, fix stranded inventory. Okay, here's a bunch of stranded stuff we have that we need to fix for Amazon. So let's check it out. Missing SKU. Okay, I don't really know. Let's see. Your inventory is stranded because the FBA managed SKUs first thing do not match. This could be because your product ID, such as the UPC or ASIN, changed, or because there's no listing and manage inventory for the SKU. So all we have to do is, so it looks like click relist and then save and finish. All right, let's try to do that. Can we just relist this, please? Please. Sorry, the SKU you have provided does not match any of our records. Amazing. Okay, so we're just gonna create a removal order for these. because there's no fix, so we have to create a removal order. So I'm just gonna send these back to me, and then I guess we'll just relist them when we get once they come back. Okay, so we're gonna have to probably wait 15 minutes for that to go through, but once that goes through, I'm gonna make a new SKU for this. So you saw how, like, when I was replenishing this item, I didn't press the replenish because it looks like it got deleted for some reason. So I clicked create new. So once this process, I create the removal order, we clear out the strand inventory, we can go ahead and list this with a fresh barcode number. So SKU is just a way to say how is Amazon, like, what is the ID code that Amazon knows that this item is connected to us, to Justin. And so we make a SKU. And so once they said they got the SKU, they said they didn't know what to do with it. So okay, just send it back to us. We'll figure it out. We'll give you a new SKU. So that's what we're doing. So let's put this aside and then wait till that till we send that back to us. Till we send the inventory back to us. Okay, we got another one of these. Got some different ones, different versions now. Let's do these ones. Okay, we're gonna scan this. Okay, rank 0. Let's take a look. So there's two different listings here. Let's check out both. Let's see which one is the best one to list against. So the first one we are selling under. Doesn't look that great. Not that much information here. And that could have just been because it wasn't available online for quite a while. If we look at this one, the same exact product. Okay. This one too has not been available for very long. So we might need to lower the price on these items. I would feel like I think either one of these listings would probably be okay to list under. Both of them are not ideal, but I think we should do this one. And the reason I think this one is because the picture is a lot nicer on this second one. Bestseller rank was 0, but at least we have something, because on this one we have nothing. There's no information on this one. So let's go ahead and list against this one, and then we have bullet points here, so that helps. And do we have a description here? Okay, so we have a description as well. So we have the bare bones minimum to make a listing. So I would go just this one looks like a better one because at least we have some indication of a sales rank, and the quality is a lot better. And then the more words is always better because then people can find the product easier if there's more keywords or words that Amazon can link their search to. Okay, let's copy. So we just copy this ASIN. Let's go over here. Just paste it in. Okay, we're gonna replenish. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 of these, and we're gonna add to batch. Okay, next we have these Office Depot planners. All right, let me scan these. They're all the same. Okay, rank 0. So I just actually made this webpage today. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so I just made this webpage. It took these pictures. But it looks okay. And then we have the title, we have our bullet points. This looks pretty good. So something to notice is, oh, there's no Keepa information. Is it good to sell under this product if there's no Keepa information? Then how can we make an educated decision if this product is going to sell? So something to check is, when was the product created? So this product was first made available on March 24, 2023, which is today. Um, so there's not going to be any Keepa information. This product was just made available for sale today. I just made this webpage today. So if you ever come across a product with 0 rank, it could be because the product was just brand new, especially since I'm trying to make more product pages. And so if you ever notice, oh, we're trying to sell something that has 0 rank, what do we do here? Um, just double check that it's not like a brand new web page that just became available. Okay, so but that's fine. So let's go ahead and list this thing. For 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna add 4. And let's list this at, it's already March. This is a calendar, so let's probably do 13.99. And let's add to batch. And this is gonna ask for dimensions because I just made it. So it's good to have a scale. I got a scale right here. So let's just measure it real quick. Okay, what is the length of this thing? And then this is 10.5 by 8.5. So 10.5 by 8.5, and then this is like super thin here. Okay, so we're gonna press OK, and then these dimensions need to load. So they're not gonna be totally uploaded super fast. It's gonna take some time. So you can put this aside while we wait for it to upload.